Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use Helm rollback command and Helm upgrade commands. So I have already created how you can use the Helm chart like installations and all, and how you can install as well or using the scoop on Windows laptop. So if you never watched those video, you can watch those videos. So in this video we are going to see first how we can do upgrade. Before that, I am inside the Helm chart. You can see here I am inside this Helm chart. So this is my Helm chart, and here I have one deployment file and here I have one service file. So I'm going to first check what are the list of Helm chart in this cluster. So I already connected with the cluster. I don't have any connected Helm chart with this. So first of all, I'm going to install Helm chart. So using Helm install and then release name, I'm giving as my release 1, and I'm currently inside this chart, so I'm giving dot. So once you give this, you can see now we have got the list of Helm charts which we have installed. So currently we have our release name, and in the default namespace it is on the revision 1. So by doing kubectl get pods, you can see there are number of pods which is running. So the number of pods which is referring from values.yaml file, so which is on 2. So this is like we can do install using Helm. So next what we are going to do, we are going to do the upgrade. So for that I'm going to change the replica count value here. So I'm going to change it as a 2 to 3, and I'm going to do the upgrade Helm upgrade, and then my release name. So my release name is my release 1, and then chart name. So I'm currently inside the chart, I'm giving dot. So by giving enter, you can see that now it is deployed for revision 2 using Helm list command. You can see this. Now we got the revision 2, and also you can see Helm history. Using this command, we can see Helm history HIST, and then a release name my release 1. So you can see there are 2 revisions. So now we got upgraded to second revision kubectl get pods. So before it was running 2 pods, now it got 3 pods. So like that we can do the upgrade. Next we are going to see how we can roll back to the first revision. So for that I'm going to Helm revision, sorry, Helm rollback, and then revision 1. Let me check the command Helm rollback -help. So you can see here rollback release name, and then we have to give the revision. So I'm going to give the release name my release 1, and then I'm going to roll back on first revision. So giving as a 1. So now it got rollback done. Helm history my release 1. So there are 3 revisions. The third one is done with the rollback. So like that you can do rollback. So if you now you want to roll back to second revision, then you can use the same command with 2. So it will roll back to second one. Now doing history, you can check it got rolled back to second revision. Like this you can do upgrade as well as the rollback. I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video is helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. Thanks for watching.